One of the things I find most rewarding about lecturing at Oakfields College is that moment in every student's training where for the first time they realise what they're capable of.
I always tell them, don't study for the exam, study for yourself. Make yourself a better artist and a performer by knowing more.
At Oakfields College, it sounds like a cliche, but it really does become like a family. I mean, these students work so closely together 24/7. I mean, they have their classes during the day and then they have rehearsals at night or shows at night, and then they're here the next day, tired and exhausted but happy.
It simply offers everything, from the practical side to the work ethic to the theoretical subjects, and you get a 3-year full diploma.
What they do is, at the end of your third year, we have a showcase, an agent showcase, and they invite agents to come watch. And that's where you get connected with your agents. If they like what they see, they contact you, and then you have that conversation afterwards.
Other than the training, I really enjoy the opportunities you get while you're here as a student, the exposure, the connections you make in the industry. Before you even graduate or leave the college, your name is known by important people in the industry. You basically secure the bag while you're studying.
Teaching at Oakfields, it's just wonderful to see the kids rocking up here from the audition with the stars in their eyes, and then they realize what it takes to become who they need to be. And just watching them blossom in the 3 years that we have them, and then going into the industry and watching them perform in professional shows, it's a beautiful experience.
So I came in as a hip-hop boy, straight up hip-hop boy, and I didn't know anything about musical theatre. So when they taught me about musical theatre, it opened up a whole new different world.
You don't want to come into something and think it's easy, because then you're not going to grow and have goals that you want to reach. You want to be challenged because you want to work harder and be better. And I feel like the learning at Oakfields College makes you want to do that.
What I love seeing is how our graduates always come back home. They support the new generation of performers coming through the ranks, and they take them under their wing, and that sense of community that we foster here is incredibly special.
I think one of the advantages the students have is that we often use industry professionals to come and do lots of modules and workshops with them. The lecturers themselves are industry professionals, so we've got an ear on the ground as to what's happening and what is needed.
I had never traveled outside of the country until I graduated. It changed my life. I got to see some of the most beautiful places.
Yeah, these people are literally your family. They are here for you, they're here to support you, they are here during the tough times and the happy times.
Working with Oakfield students, how they are prepared, their classes, their voice classes, their dance technique classes and acting classes, put them on par with many of the programs in the United States. So when I come here, I know that they are, one, willing to work hard and willing to improve, and willing to deal with new ideas from a crazy American, and really grow from there.
I think one of the things that sets Oakfields College apart is our track record. I think one only needs to look at the success of our graduates who have worked contract to contract. Some of them have literally received contracts while they were still students and haven't stopped working since they left. We've got students that perform all over the world. Some of them have been to, I don't know how many cities, different countries, traveling while doing what they love. And I think it's simple. The proof is in the pudding.